So I thought I would pop on and show you guys what I have been doing today. Can you tell? Can you figure it out? I have been going through my stash because I've got so much, right? Okay, here's some of my painted fabrics. And then I've got some dyed wool from a gal that I really like. I'll put her link to her shop down below in the description box. And I've got so many fibers. And sometimes, you just get hit with this, decision paralysis. You just can't decide what to work on next. And one of the things I like to do to get past that is to put some limitations on myself. And one way to do that is to put together these little kits. They're kits for me. They're not kits to sell, they're kits for me. And I'm just putting together the background fabric and some fibers and threads, and I'm kind of thinking more monochromatic on these. I've got a lot of long strips of both felt and my painted fibers. And so I guess I'm going to end up with a series of a bunch of these long pieces, and they're just going to be abstract, stitched together little things. I've got 3 pieces of that green. I'm going to have to do some fun things with that. I went through my silks because I have a whole bunch of sari silk fabric that I have bought over the years. And it's like, let's use that stuff up, right? Some more of my painted fabrics, some fibers given to me by a weaver. And so I'm just going to put together these kits, and each one is going to go in a little plastic bag. And I'm working on one. I started on one in my live stream this week. And this way I'll have some variety to work on. And I will, I love this green. And I'm thinking I might just do couching on it. But I'll have some variety to work with. I'll have some variety to work on in the live streams. I'll have some variety to post on my Instagram and my Facebook pages. And it's just fun to have different things to bounce around with. I know there will probably be beads on some of these at the end. There'll be some other stuff, but this is a starting point for them. And so I just suggest, that maybe you think of a project that has some limitations. Some of you come from art journaling backgrounds and you like the prompts. It's sort of like that. Just give yourself, okay, I'm only going to do something that's blue, or I'm going to work all in browns, or I'm only going to do couching, which is what I'm thinking about this one. I'm not going to do any other stitches. I don't know. But give yourself some limitations, because I bet what's going to happen if you do that is you're going to break all the barriers. You're going to go someplace you didn't expect to go before. And isn't that one of the most exciting things about art?